Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dehsonae. But do you see this? So I tried the new Makeup Forever matte primer. It's not new, but it's new for me. And it made my skin so freaking crusty. So we're going to go in with some strobe cream just to bring the hydration back into the skin and make me all glowy and cute again, because what? And then we're going to do the J-Cat makeup primer right on top because I was looking crazy. We're going to go in with the Makeup Forever HD foundation. I know it's a little dark, so I'm going to mix it in with a lighter one. I just want to get a full coverage color. Sorry I keep getting distracted. I'm watching TV, and I shouldn't be watching TV. I should be doing this tutorial. So now we're just going to blend everything out with a sponge. This sponge is from NYX Cosmetics. Yes, it's a little orangey or a little yellow, but we're going to fix that. We're going to take some concealer from ColourPop. I'll list all the exact names down below, so look out for that, okay? And we're just going to place this on the highest point of our face, taking that same sponge and blending everything out. And then we're going to do the exact same thing with some contour, just to bring some warmth back to the face. So doing it in the hollows of the face, down the nose, underneath my lip, and then just blending it all out once again. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some white cream paint and a spoolie, and I'm just going to place this on my brows to make them a little bit lighter since they do have dark brows. We are going to go for some pink brows, so we're just going to place this as a base. And then to start defining my brows, I'm going to take this hot pink color. This one's part of the My Little Pony collection with ColourPop. And it actually is really super pink and it stains, so that's why I rarely use it. But I love it for the brows. So we're just going to place this and start carving out my brows and seeing what shape I want. I'm going to do them a little bit thinner, not as thick as usual. Now that the brows are done, I am going to wait a second before I start concealing my brows. If you do it right away after you've done your pink brows with liquid lipstick, you're going to get pink everywhere. Trust me, I've done it. Anyway, I'm just carving out my brows and as well as using this lighter concealer for my primer. All I'm doing here is taking a nice fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend everything in and make myself a nice base for the colors that I'm about to pop on. Alrighty, starting off with this hot pink. This one is from Sugarpill and this one is called Dollipop, I believe. And we're just gonna randomly place this all over the face. I'm not gonna do it too symmetrical, so just do your thing. We're gonna go in with this purple shade, which is Poison Plum from Sugarpill as well. Doing the exact same thing. Do whatever you like. Place the colors wherever you want. So this next shade here is called Orange Sun, and this one is from Saucebox Cosmetics. It's a really bright orange with a little bit of glimmer in it. The next color here is also from Saucebox and it's called Yellow, and it's a glittery yellow. I'm just randomly placing all these colors everywhere. You can do the same. Going back into my Sugarpill palette, I'm going to use Acid Berry, which is one of my favorite greens I own, and I'm just going to start splattering that in random areas, like I've been saying for the past few clips. And then going in with this bright teal, which is Kimchi from Sugarpill. And last color is this bright blue from Saucebox, and this one is called Aquarama. And then I'm just going to use my fingers to blend out my edges a little bit, just so it's nice and flawless. To carve out my lid, I am going to take the Wet n Wild Catsuit Liquid Eyeshadow, and this one is a Mystic Dreamer. And then we're going to take the NYX Epic Liner. I should have used another liner because this felt tip was just not happening. As you can see, I started off with a really small liner and then it just turned into something else in the next clip. Now that I have my liner situated, we are going to take the NYX Cosmetics White Liner, which I also don't love, but I don't know why I ended up using it. I usually end up using white paint, but I'm just going to use that to carve out my brow. Right here, I did switch to white paint to start making my little designs. This is just in case you don't have any jewels or diamonds or anything that you can stick on your face itself. I'm just using this white water-activated paint. You could definitely use eyeliner if you have one that's opaque enough. So I'm just making these random little shapes, little teardrops, and little circles because I love circles and dots. and you can pretty much do whatever you want here. Now we're going to go back into that same pink and start to apply some blush. I did add some bronzer on my face, but we're just going to add some more pink just to give it a little bit more color. You can skip this step if you'd like. To highlight, I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Black Light Highlighter, and I'm going to take that purple, like pinky shade. I'm just going to highlight as normal. We are going to add some glitter, so I'm taking this glitter glue from NYX Cosmetics as well as this Gypsy Shrine glitter. I think it's like iridescent desert pink. And then we're just going to place this on the bottom portion of my eye here. I really, really love their glitters. But this one, for whatever reason, was so hard to take off. But ended up making a really cool effect on this look. I've been seriously dying to use these lashes, so finally I get to use them in this rainbow look. These are from Nick Love, and I just popped them on really quick. To fill in my lips, I'm just going to do a bright pink like lip liner and then fill it in with the same color pop pink because they have to match my brows, you know? This is pretty much it for my little rainbow festival look. Bam! I think it looks pretty good. Anyway, thank you guys as always for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. If you recreate any of my looks, make sure to tag me because I would love to see. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in our next video. We love you. Ciao.